Here we go. Port stop number 2, San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're fixing to go find pina coladas and who knows whatever else we're going to get into, but it's going to be warm, lots of walking, hopefully good drinks, but we'll take you along the way. See you in a few. This is crazy. They got free drinks walking out. We're fixing to get one. How about that?
Like they gotta mix up the next one.
That's what we use.
Yeah. Free samples. Free samples. Free samples. Free samples. He put strawberry and orange juice or pineapple juice in there. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You know it's going to be a free day when they give you free drinks walking out the terminal. How about that? Welcome to Puerto Rico. Look who we're in port with. Celebrity Edge. Celebrity Edge, Royal Princess, Carnival Horizon. There's another celebrity ship further down and a Viking ship. Busy day in port today. We gave up on the trolley. That's a disaster. We're just walking down. We're walking down the street in Puerto Rico. Look at all the architecture. Some crazy fountain. I think we're fixing to be walking along the edge of the island, so we might get some pretty views and see the water and all that good stuff. Yeah, we're gonna make our way and eventually get to El Morro. Just gonna walk a lot. Might burn up, but there's pina coladas waiting. Maybe there'll be some shade along the ways. And I got cold water in the bag, so don't let it sit too long because it'll get hot. walking on the outside of what's El Morro. Seems like there's a brick trail all the way up, and this wall is the border of the fort, which is that way. But look at this view. It's breathtaking. Very pretty. It's the way the ship came in and we drove right past the fort. It's pretty nice. Just a long, long, hot walk. There's a beach. Probably some good snorkeling over there.
Yeah, the last one. I was looking for you, Steve.
We almost just got run over by the Puerto Rican governor, I guess. I don't know. He had a police escort. Crazy. But here's some kind of entrance into something. What is this? Looks like an entrance to the city, maybe up to the governor's mansion. We're gonna take this route.
Straight up.
First stop, No-Nos for the famous Madras. It's a frozen drink. Very fruity, very... Tastes like it's got cranberry juice, guava juice, rum. I don't know. It's pretty good. We're gonna sit here and drink this, cool off, and on to the next place. Okay, we're out on the streets again. No-Nos is pretty cool. Frozen Madras. It's very good. It's very fruity, tart, not too sweet.
Tell everybody to watch the sidewalks.
Yeah, watch the sidewalks. They're all crazy and broken and everything.
New Orleans style.
You heard it here, folks. New Orleans style. Now we're on our way to Barrachino's. We're gonna go find these pina coladas that they swear they invented. We'll see. We're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go to Raices, I think. Raices, however you say that. And we're gonna have a comparison. We're gonna have a comparison of pina coladas. All right, catch you guys in a bit. Okay, here we are on what some call the Umbrella Street. I think it is Fortaleza Street, but it's a street full of umbrellas. Take a look. I think it's a symbol that Puerto Rico's coming back strong, and basically saying that they're united and they're going to rebuild, they're going to make it better. And it's just their way of saying that everything's going to be okay. Here's one more look. Wow, pretty cool. Oh, and another thing, there is a lot of police in the streets. Very safe to walk around in. The roads are tight, but it's very safe. Okay, we made it to Barrachina's. Here's the sign. We're fixing to get up in here and try this. Hopefully it tastes good. Well, there it is. The pina colada at Barrachina's. Looks tasty. Looks like a ice cream float. Let's taste it. That is so good. Very, very good. Definitely worth coming up here to get one of these. Come to Barrachina's pina coladas. Amazing. Okay, we finished those drinks up and we sat there, we did a Facebook Live. As you know, the drinks were good. Well, we found out we can get these bad boys to go, so we're fixing to get to go pina coladas, and we're gonna go to the next place on the list to get, you guessed it, more pina coladas. So hopefully we don't miss the ship. But if we do, it's a U.S. territory, so we're good, right? Hey, Amanda.
Hello. Guess you can see my.
I don't think it was that bad.
Thank you. And for these 15, 16.
Same price. Those are to go. Okay, we're on the streets again. We are at our third place. These people also said they created a pina colada, so the name of this place is Raices. So we're gonna go in here and try this place as well. Maybe it'll be just as good. Okay, we came to Raices. We got another pina colada. Here's what theirs looks like. Let's taste it. Ooh, those are pretty good too. It's close. These aren't as sweet as the other ones, but they're pretty good too. Alright, we're going to enjoy these drinks. Then I don't know what we're going to get into. For right now, we're going to drink these, cool off, have a little bit of fun. Catch you guys later. Okay, we're back on the streets again. We just left Raices. Cool place. Pina coladas are good, nice and cold. They're more frozen than Barrachina's. We like Barrachina's better, but hey, you can't go wrong either way. So we're about to...
Pina colada, pina colada. And they both have rum.
Heard it from there. They both got rum. All right, well, we're about to walk around, take some more pictures, and head back to the ship. So we might throw some extra footage in there. We'll see. Y'all have a good night. Okay, you know how I told you guys we were not gonna get food, we're gonna drink no more, we're not gonna do this, we're not gonna do that. Well, guess what? We got mofongu and some kind of drink called a chicachito, strawberry chicachito. But anyways, we're at some bar restaurant called Moreno Spot, happy hour. We're gonna eat this mofongu. It's just plantain, it's nothing special. But yeah, so we couldn't leave San Juan without trying it. So now I think we're done drinking. So, had fun with you guys. San Juan's beautiful, nice weather. All right, we're gonna eat this. Talk to you later. How cool is that? our ship, all lit up. San Juan was so much fun today. It's time to get back on the ship now.
No nose is better.
Madras is not, and No Nose is better. Barrachino's pina coladas is better. So go to Barrachina's, get pina colada. No Nose, get Madras. Mofongu? No.
Looks like
Pass.
a brain.
Pass.
No.
Anyway, we're gonna leave you with one last look at our ship lit up next to Celebrity Edge. All right.
Yeah, bro.